where the demons in our head sort of take over and we listen to them and it can knock our confidence and things, but we need to run them out. They need to move on, those monsters in our heads. So we're doing the London Marathon to raise money for Mind, and also we've been following an online campaign called #ItAffectsMe, which you all need to go and look at, because this lady is doing amazing things to get people to talk and to communicate, and that's just a fantastic thing to do, and it's free and easy. So this is The Voices. Thank you for all being so lovely.
Amazing.
There's a small voice in every one of us that talks on our behalf and shouts out all our faults. It's a long life to listen to the lines they write, and they're wrong. We can all be strong when they expect us to be straight. We won't bite it or they're bait. We can find use in all of the mistakes they make. So we open up the boxes with our heavy hearts and open minds, scream, tear it down and shout what's this all about. We take this truth and wear it with our eyes so wide. We live the lie, yeah, we grow to learn to shake off the monsters and run for your lives. There's a mad dog on its way to ruin your mind. Do it all, it's an unkind world we're lost within, when the walls are closing in and the chances disappear. In this wonderful world, we'll never know just why we're here. Hold on to every part of you. The demons in the dark will play games within your heart. Let it go, end it now so you can start. We open up the boxes with our heavy hearts and open minds, scream and tear it down and shout what's this all about. We take this truth and wear it with our eyes so wide. We live the lie, yeah, we grow to learn to shake off the monsters and run for your life. There's a mad dog on its way to ruin your mind. Do it all your own. Have fun, have as much as you please. Make it play, make it fight, bring it down to its knees. Do it all your own.
These voices I hear haunt me, tease me, beat me up and taunt me, distort to know my thoughts so often don't to keep me falling, causing me to doubt myself, convincing me I'm pointless. Voices always screaming, leave me bleeding, keep me joyless. I can't escape, I try to run but cannot hide. No matter where I run to, though there are always in my mind locked up inside. No way to make them leave, they amplify every doubt I have about myself. They thrive on spreading lies, but I don't know if I'll make it on my own. Just leave us as the monster as it craves to take control. Invisible to others, so it grows, but it's in shown. Hard to fight the monster when you're fighting it alone. Don't think if there's a monster showing others that it's there. Tries to make you scared to share, convince you no one cares. Just cause it's aware that there's no way that it can beat you. If you open up yourself and call for help, it can't defeat you.
So we open up the boxes with our heavy hearts and open minds, scream and tear it down and shout what's this all about. We take this truth and wear it with our eyes so wide. We live the lie, yeah, we grow to learn, shake off the monsters and run for your lives. There's a mad dog on its way to ruin your mind. Do it all your own. Have fun, have as much as you please. Make it play, make it fight, bring it down to its knees. Do it all your own. and run. Samantics makes a very good music, Thank you so much. Thank you to the joiners for having us.